Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to Crypto Kickstart. Today, we're diving into the world of Bybit, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges, and how you can maximize your benefits using the Bybit Referral Code 82500. Let's get started. Bybit is a top-notch cryptocurrency exchange known for its robust trading platform and fantastic user experience. But did you know you can get even more out of your Bybit experience by using a referral code? That's right. Bybit offers a referral program that rewards both new users and those who refer them. And today, I'm going to show you how to use the Bybit Referral Code 82500 to unlock some amazing benefits. So, what exactly is a Bybit Referral Code? In simple terms, it's a special code that new users can enter when they sign up for Bybit. Using this code, 82500, not only helps you get started with some bonus perks, but it also rewards the person who referred you. It's a win-win situation. All right, now let's talk about how you can use the Bybit Referral Code 82500. It's super easy. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, go to the Bybit website or open the app. Click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your details, email, password, and so on. When you reach the referral code section, enter 82500. Complete the registration process and you're all set. Using this code ensures you get the maximum benefits available for new users. Make sure you don't miss out. Bybit offers different types of referral codes depending on various promotions. However, 82500 is a reliable and up-to-date code you can use right now. It's always good to keep an eye out for special promotions that might offer additional bonuses. Let's dive a bit deeper into the Bybit referral program. Here's how it works. For new users, when you sign up with the referral code 82500, you can receive bonus rewards such as trading fee discounts, deposit bonuses, and other exciting perks. For referrers, if you share your own referral code with friends and they sign up, you'll earn a percentage of their trading fees as a reward. It's a great way to build a community and benefit together. Remember, the key is to use 82500 during your registration to kickstart your Bybit journey with some extra bonuses. I know you might have some questions, so let's cover a few FAQs. Can I use more than one referral code? No, you can only use one referral code per account, so make sure you use 82500 for the best rewards. What if I forgot to enter the referral code? Unfortunately, you can't add a referral code after signing up, so be sure to enter 82500 during registration. Are there any limits on the bonuses? Bonuses and rewards may vary based on promotions, so check Bybit's official site for the latest details. To wrap things up, using the Bybit referral code 82500 is a fantastic way to enhance your trading experience. You get access to great bonuses, and it's an easy way to start your journey with Bybit on the right foot. Don't forget to use the code 82500 when you sign up and share it with your friends to spread the benefits. Thanks for watching, and happy trading. Before you go, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Crypto Kickstart, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future crypto guides and tutorials. And remember, use the Bybit referral code 82500 for the best bonuses. See you next time.